Let's pop, pop, popcorn! A group of children shows a step-by-step process of how America's favorite snack is grown, harvested, and popped. Dig the ground up with a hoe, plant the seeds and hope they grow. Sunshine warms them in the earth, raindrop fall to quench their thirst. Surprise! Like magic sprouts appear, green and tender, finally here. Every day we pull the weeds, protecting plants we've grown from seeds. Knee high, waist high, past our heads, ears sprout, hair that's fuzzy red. Pick before the frost arrives, shuck them clean so each one dries. Plink, plunk, plink, then find a pot. Heat those kernels good and hot. Steam builds around each kernel's germ, puffs of starch called endosperm, not strong enough to hold this load. Kaboom! The shells called pericarps explode. First one pop, then pops galore. Pop, 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 pop. Shake, shake, shake. Pop, pop, pop. Then shake some more. Pop, pop, pop. The popping stops, the work is done. Now it's time for popcorn fun. Pour it in our favorite dish. Butter, salt, then give a swish. Lick our fingers, delish. Pop, pop, popcorn.